So you want to know how to fix your account was permanently banned on TikTok? Here's how you can do it under a minute. So the first thing first, simply go ahead and open your app. Click on the inbox tab, and then on your new notification, you must have a notification that says suspended account, and then just click on report or appeal by clicking on the notification. However, if you don't see it here, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on your profile, click on the top right menu icon, head to settings and privacy. And once you're here, what you want to do is simply go ahead and look for report a problem. You could also simply head into your help center and click on report a problem right here. And once you've done that, just click on need more help, and you will be directly in messaging with the TikTok support. Just tell them what happened, how your account has been possibly banned, and if it is a false ban or your account should not be banned because you've not done anything wrong, then they will go ahead and consider it. I hope this video clarified everything for you. For more videos like this, drop